This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Marilyn Drake. If you are looking for privacy, low maintenance exterior, and one-level living, you have found it. This 3-bedroom/2-bath home is close to the gate and the yard is level, gently sloping toward the back, all living on one level, and furnished with everything you need to move in. The dining room comes with table/chairs and china cabinet with china. Kitchen comes with all appliances including refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, microwave, and plenty of cabinets. Washer and dryer are also included. Living room is very spacious with fireplace which is vented with gas starter, 2-car garage with work benches and shelving to remain, screened porch, deck, large front porch and a greenhouse. This property is priced to sell. It is perfect for a young family, retirees who are downsizing and don't want any stairs, and would also make a good rental, long-term or short-term. All roads are paved. For more information,